Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about electrochemistry. So in electrochemistry, first we shall see what is electrochemistry. So electrochemistry means it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between the electrical energy and chemical energy. Next is electrochemical cell, that is a device that make use of a chemical change to produce electricity or to produce a chemical change. Next is the components of electrochemical cell. There are two components which is present in electrochemical cell. They are electrode and electrolyte. Then cell reaction which is involved in this electrochemical cell are oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means loss of electron, whereas reduction means gain of electrons. Then types of electrochemical cell, galvanic cell. So galvanic cell means the conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy to produce electricity is called as galvanic cell. And also in galvanic cell there are two Hopf cells, namely anodic Hopf cell and cathodic Hopf cell. And this anodic Hopf cell is contacting with the anode, and whereas this cathodic Hopf cell is contacting with cathode. Next is electrolytic cell. So it is an electrochemical cell which converts the electrical energy into chemical energy, and here both the electrodes were present in the same electrolyte. Then the significance of electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is used to discover the important technical process for the production and purification of non-ferrous metals and also for the synthesis of organic compounds. Next, electrochemistry is also used to predict whether the reaction will occur or not, and also the detection of alcohol in drunken drivers. That is the main principles of this electrochemistry. Then production of metals like aluminium and titanium from the source involves electrochemical reaction. Lead acid batteries, lithium ion batteries and fuel cells are also based on electrochemical reactions. Next is radiochemistry, that is a study of radioactive and non-radioactive isotope is called as radiochemistry. And the application of radiochemistry, the first one is radiocarbon dating. So in radiocarbon dating we can use to determine the age of fossil wood or the animal by using the carbon-14 isotopes. Then diagnosis, radioisotopes is also used to diagnose many diseases. Then radioisotopes in diagnosis, and here some of the isotopes were given. The first one is iodine 131. It is used to locate and detection of brain tumor. Sodium 24 is used for detecting the location of blood clot. Then iron 59, it is used for the diagnosis of anemia. Cobalt 60 is used for the diagnosis of cancer. And hydrogen 3, it is used to diagnose the water content of the human body. Next is radiotherapy. So radioactive isotopes are used in the treatment of many diseases. And the dye chemistry means study of dyes. It provides the informations about the theory, structures and applications of synthetic dyes. Then characteristics of dyes. All these characters must possess a dye, that is it should have a suitable color. It should be able to fix itself or to be capable of being fixed to the fabric. It should be fast to light, and also it should be resistant to the action of water. Next is the classification of dyes. So dyes are classified based on the method of application. They are acid dyes, basic dyes, modern dyes, direct dyes and wet dyes. First one is acid dyes. So acid dyes means they are acidic in nature and is used for dyeing animal fibers and synthetic fibers. Example, picric acid. Then basic dyes means they are basic in nature and also it is used for dyeing animal fibers and plant fibers. Then modern dyes means that is a poor affinity for cotton fibers. It is also called as indirect dyes. It is just opposite to that of modern dye, that is poor affinity, whereas direct dyes have high affinity for cotton. And wet dyes. Wet dyes can be used only on cotton and not on silk and wool. And this wet dyes is a continuous process, and this wet dyes are carried out in a large vessel. The large vessel is called as wet. Hence from this name dyes were named as wet dyes. Example, indigo. Then based on the structure the dyes are classified as azo dyes, diphenyl methane dye, triphenyl methane dye, thallium dye, anthraquinone dye, indigo dye, phthalocyanine dye and nitro and nitroso dyes. Thank you.